Good morning, friends. Once again, welcome back to the new lecture. So, in this class, we are going to learn about the domain verification. What is I mean by domain verification? What is the important and the necessary of the domain verification process? Okay, let us discuss in this class. Okay, so to domain, basically, domain verification is the first uh, the important thing before we create the Facebook pixel. Okay. So without the verification of the domain, it is unnecessary to, create the Facebook pixel. Okay. So whatever the domains which are verified, only the domains are eligible for getting the tracking the data to the Facebook pixel. So let us jump into the all the steps, whatever which are present in the domain verification process. So be connected. I am sharing my screen. Let me share my screen. So let's move to the Facebook account. So friends, let us let's open the any one of the domain which is not verified. Let us verify one domain. Okay. Let's verify one domain. In today's class, we are going to verify one of the domain. So in my dashboard, we have dealt with so many domains, okay, of our customers. Okay. So first of all, what we have to go to the all tools. Okay. Here every business is having one domain. Okay. So let me show you the details of one of the domain. So where actually you will be having the domain. So here all tools, go to the all tools or settings. Okay. Here in the business assets, or go so wait. So data sources. Here we will create the pixels and go to the go down. You will be having brand safety. Okay. In this brand safety, open the domains. Click on the domains option. So this is my client's what domain. We have already verified this domain. Okay. So every see here this one is ticked here, right? This one is ticked. So this domain is verified. So this domain is also verified. Uh, Next one, this is also verified. This domain is also verified, and this is also verified. Let us connect one more domain here. Create a new domain. So what is the domain? So your domain name is, we should not have to take the HTTPS, just goexcite.com. Goexcite.com. That's it. Goexcite.com. If I click here, what it will show? Not verified. Okay. Now let us understand how to verify the domain. So Facebook will suggest some of the steps. Okay, by using the three steps, we can follow any one of the method to verify the domain. Okay, so simply see here, friends. So I just come to the brand safety. Under the brand safety, I have selected the domains. Under the domains, whatever the domains are there in my account, all those will start showing to me. Okay, so then if I would like to verify a new domain, then I have to select to create verify a new domain. Then I have selected that option and I have given the domain name. So whenever I have given the domain name, what happens here? It has shown me that it is not verified. Then so verify a domain. So goexcite.com not verified. More by so it is see here verify your domain. Select one option. So these are the options you are having. Add a meta tag to your HTML source code. Add a meta tag to your source code. It is asking to me. So adding a meta tag means I will show you these two methods, one and two methods. Okay. So if I select this one, so what happens? See, this is the meta add. Add a meta tag. Verify this domain by copying and pasting the provided meta tag code into the head or the section of your website's HTML page code. Okay, HTML code. So first one, what is, there are three steps we have in this first selection. Okay, if I follow this method, so these are the steps I need to follow. First, what I have to do, I have to copy. I have copied the code, this code. And then what I have to do, I have to open the header section of my website. So these website is we have purchased this website from the Flexi Funnels. Okay, Flexi Funnels. We have many websites. We have nearly 6 to 7 websites we have connected. So let's open the website. Okay, I will show you two methods. This is FlexiFunnel website. Of course, you are using the WordPress. How to verify the domain by using the WordPress also I will tell you. So the method, the simplest method to verify our domain is we have copied our code and then go to the domains now. So which domain? GoXsite. Yeah, this is the GoXsite domain. First, open the project settings. Go to the domain. In this FlexiFunnels, the process is different comparing to that one. Anyhow, we need to open the domain. So this is the header, right? Go to the page settings. So for example, if I select this one, edit the page, go to the edit the page. Go to the home and header page like that. It is loading now. Wait for a second. 2 seconds. Open within 1 or 2 seconds. So friends, we can verify the domain by using the website or the landing page. Okay. So there are three steps we have. Some people call the landing page, some people call the funnel, some people call the website. Okay. So website is somewhat different from the landing page. In the landing page is nothing but sales page. Okay. So and the website, the landing page is also called as the funnel as well. Okay. Next one, the website means all the pages are there in a website. In the website, we will be having home page, about page, contact us page, services page, etc. So all these kind of things are there in the website, right? So people can go to the websites through by selecting any one of the page. Now we are entering into the editing section of the website. We have entered into the editing section of the website. Here in this FlexiFunnels editing section, we will be having here codes here. Okay, the code editing option is here. Or here also we can go. Okay, so URL forwarding, retargeting codes. This is called as the retargeting codes. We have to go to the retargeting codes and what it has shown us. So go to the header and copy the page. That's it. So I have opened the header now. So head this one. So simply what I have to do is simply, okay, just enter the header. Okay, I have copied the code, right? And update. That's it. Successfully updated. And now uh, it will, what we have to save this one. Save. Okay, saving. And it will be updated within the as we have to save this one and we have to publish this one. That's it. And now within 2 minutes, whatever the code we have added uh, in this header section, in the header section of the uh, page editor. So next one, header section of your website, home HTML code. That is over. Okay. Paste the meta add header section of the HTML. Verification will fail if the meta tag code is outside the header section. Okay. So that's why we need to enter this in the header section only. Okay. But dynamically with JavaScript. After you have published it, what we have to do here, there is an option called that is verify your domain. So it is now not appearing. That's why I minimize the page. Do remember, friends, many people confuse here. You may not find the option to verify domain. Have you seen here now verify domain? So it will take some time. Okay, 1 or 2 minutes we need to wait. After then, GoExcel.com has been verified successfully now. Okay. So this is now have you seen here now green mark has came here. Okay. So and now I am assigning the partner as well here. Okay. I am assigning the partner. Who is the partner? Partner ID. Uh, my partner ID, business ID. This is my business ID, right? So I am finding copy this one and I am pasting here and link to the domain. Okay. Share the domain with the partner. Okay. Share this, you are trying to assign a role to an asset that's already owned by your business shape. Okay, clicking now. So partner connected asset, domain access, assign assets. Okay, we can assign the assets, all the assets to whom? To Digital Nizamuddin Marketing Agency and Academy. Uh, wait, connected assets. Okay, assign the assets, assign the partner. Partner is already there, it is showing. Okay. Then assign assets. All the assets. Which assets? These go asset assets. Go asset. This is what 968 business ID. 968. This one. Select all. No results for the pages. One page has been added to the domain go website. Okay. So this go website domain is there, right? To that domain, we have added the Facebook page. Okay. And then domain access. So domain access to whom we should have to give manage ad linking and link editing control with third party ads can edit links to your domain. To continue domain access like we have now assign the partners. So we are already there. It is already there. Assign the assets. What are the assets? Okay, assets are also added. So this is what the verification, domain verification, friends. Okay. I hope you understand it very clearly. Okay. Mhm. Now I will tell you in the next class. I will tell you how to verify the WordPress domains.